As a sender on Goflexnow, you have the added convenience of being able to manage your finances right within the app. Let me guide you through how you can access and use your app wallet. Firstly, to fund your wallet, simply navigate to the Wallet section in the app and select the Add Cash option. From here, you can select your preferred payment method, such as airtime, cable TV, electricity, data, and more. Once your desired service is picked, you can use various payment options to pay bills such as Goflexnow Wallet, Paystack or debit, credit card, and enter the amount you wish to add. Simply select the pay service you wish to use and choose the Pay with Wallet option. You will then be prompted to enter the payment amount and select the payment method. It's that easy. With the convenience of being able to manage your finances right within the app, you can be confident that your transactions are safe and secure. So go ahead and explore the many benefits of using your Goflexnow app wallet. Firstly, let me assure you that we prioritize transparency in our services, and we want you to have complete control over your payments. That's why we have included a payment analytics feature in our app. You will be able to view your monthly and yearly expenditure in the analytics section. You can choose your desired month or year from the drop-down menu to view your payment details for that specific time. To further analyze your payment data, you can export the report in various formats such as CSV, email, and Word. We believe that this feature will give you a better understanding of your spending patterns and help you manage your finances efficiently. With Goflexnow, you can trust that your payments are secure and transparent. Thank you for choosing our app, and we hope this video has been helpful.